Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the FS5 recorder. This is going to enable you to record on your VX without tapes. Like I said, you plug it in via FireWire, and then when you're done, you want to take it home and watch it on your computer or whatever, USB to USB, and it's that easy. The most important thing besides the recorder that you're going to need for this setup is this L bracket. You can get these on Amazon. They're just a standard camcorder L bracket, or these are pretty diverse. You can use them for a lot of things, but they just screw right onto your bottom of your camcorder, just like a tripod would. This is the FireWire that you're going to want. You're going to want a short one with this little Velcro that you can kind of wrap it up in. So you're going to want the felt part on the external of the recorder. Now on the L bracket, you're going to want to cover the inside, mainly this part of the L, with the hook part of the Velcro. So you're going to have it on the bottom and on the side here. Now you can just trim that off with a razor blade. You can buy a bunch of this at 3M. And then on the outside, you want the felt part as well, because with this leather strip, what you're going to do is you're going to have this mounted on the VX. You take your felt, lock it up 90 degrees with the hook part that we just put on inside the bracket there. Then for extra security, you see how we have this little strip of felt just like this? Take your strip of hooks and secure it on just like that. This thing is not going to go anywhere. Velcro is pretty damn strong. So these take a flathead, well this one takes a flathead screw. We're gonna mount it onto the VX now, just like you would a tripod. Go ahead and line your threads up. Get yourself a screwdriver. Now we already have made this clearance enough, it's actually just enough to fit the recorder in tightly. So there's the L bracket fastened on. You're just gonna slide it right in, right locked in. It's kind of a pain, you can get in there nice and flush, but make sure it's nice and flush. And once it is, double reinforcement with that Velcro strip we talked about, just like that. And now, to hook it up, this is why the short cord is really important, because you really don't want a lot of stuff hanging off. You take your short end right into the VX, like so, and then this end right into the FireWire. That is your setup. How to use this thing. Turn your camera on, wait for that little beep, then come over to your recorder, hit the power button, see it light up, wait for this loading screen to disappear, and now we should be good to go. Once you get this screen up with the numbers, you know it's ready to record. So this is going to be telling you just basically what format it is and the timestamp and all that kind of stuff, how many minutes are left on your memory. Red button, record, obviously. You can see it's recording here. So now we're good to go. This is recording in DV format, so it's pretty standard. And from here, go film your line. If you want to stop, press stop. Gets a little loading bar, let that run out, and then you want to record again, just rinse and repeat. Make sure you give it a few seconds though. It does need some time to cool down, obviously. So hooking it up to your computer. This other port here is for your USB-A, very critical. You need a USB-A to USB-A, not your USB 3. You're gonna plug that right into your computer via USB, and then you can get all your footage. And then on the actual DVR recorder, you are going to press the F3 button. The F3 button will make it pop up as if it's an SD card on your computer. And then from there, you will be able to drag and drop. Essentially, you must not forget that you have to unplug the recorder from your computer before hitting exit. That's critical. You got to unplug the recorder before hitting exit. And that is the FS5 in its entirety.